This video is made for educational and ethical hacking purposes only. All tests are performed in the lab that I host and control. Do not use these techniques on systems that you do not own or have explicit permission to test. The creator is not responsible for the misuse. File upload functionality. File upload functionality allows users to send files to a server, but can pose significant security risks if not properly managed. Common problems include the potential for malicious files to be uploaded, which can lead to server exploitation, remote code execution, and many more. Today in this video, we're showing you two unique ways to bypass the file upload restriction that will definitely help you with your bug bounty career and also for solving CTF challenges. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this demonstration, I am using two testing labs. The first one is my own made lab, and the second one is a DVWA lab with enabled high security and PHPIDS. First, I just upload any normal image into the lab. You see the file has been successfully uploaded. Now let's do something crazy. Just create a PHP shell, because you may notice that the site is running on PHP. And try to upload it. You see the file has been blocked by the filter. So let's open our Burp Suite to intercept the request. Now let's send it to our repeater. And let's play with extensions first, to see which part is validated by the server. You see that the filter is just validating our file name extensions, not the content type and its contents. Let's check for misconfigurations. So first, let's open that uploaded file path. For that, at first we just need to turn off the intercept. Now to check, we need to open our uploaded shell.jpg. It's not working, which means the .jpg file doesn't give us any file execution. So let's try a different method. In this time, I am using a simple double extension bypass technique. No, it does not work. Try again with double extension bypass technique with a case manipulation. It was also failed. also add it with another uncommon extension. So now let's use a null-byte extension bypass. That's good. We've successfully bypassed the filter and our shell is being uploaded. Let's check it. Nicely working. We can also get a reverse shell from it. Basically, we have shown many methods in the first one. Now, let's jump to the second one. For the second method, let's open our DVWA machine. And just change the security level to hard. And also enable our PHP intrusion detection system. Now let's exploit the machine. Let's upload the shell and see the request from the HTTP history. Send it to the repeater. First, let's send it as it is and try to find a difference between the outputs. Sorry for my mistake. Let's change the content type to see if it generates any different outputs. It is generating the same outputs, so we can't point out which section the server is validating. You can also see the view sources, but I'm skipping it for the simplicity. So let's try something new. Let's build a polyglot image file by injecting an image file header. Now we have given our magic byte hex value of a JPG file, and let's add our PHP shell after it. You can use the system or pass-through as you want. I'm using pass-through in this case. and first save the file as a .jpg extension. We have seen that our file has been uploaded. From the HTTP History tab, let's send the request to our Repeater tab for further modifications, because in this case, it might fail to execute. And our thought is right. It is not executing. So let's pass the double extension to see what will happen. Now, just reverse the extensions from their place. And send. File has been uploaded. Let's check it. And the shell successfully gets executed. Let's have some fun with this shell. Just read our user flag of this machine. Nice. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. So see you soon. Stay learning, stay sharp, and stay safe. We will come soon with some new topics.